Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Vision School Meepo Khas. Dear students, as you know, I'm a teacher Zeeshan Khaled. And dear students, in today's video we are going to learn about the union and intersections of two sets. Dear students, talking about the union, what is union? First of all, we should know that. Union is writing all the elements of two sets in one set in correct order, in right order, and if any element is being repeated in both the sets, writing it once. At the end of the video, we will learn how to find out this union of two sets. And talking about the intersection of two sets. Intersection. What is intersection? Intersection is picking out the common values of both the sets. The two given sets in which you have to just pick out the common values, common elements of both the sets. And as I told you, at the end of the video, we will learn how to solve or how to find out the intersection of two sets. Let's move towards that. So dear students, as we have discussed about union, and now we know that what is union, and now it's the time to learn how to find out the unions of two sets. So let's start with that. Set A, as you can see here, is that having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as elements, and set B is having 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so let's check it out. It's a proper procedure to solve. First of all, you will give the heading of solution here. Okay, that's good, solution. Okay, now what we have to find is A union B. Okay, first of all, you will write the set A here and the elements of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then a sign of union as it is written here, and then you will write the values of set B. Okay, those are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, now as I told you that in union we write in correct order, in right order, and if any element is being repeated, you will write it only once. So let's do that. The answer of it will be, first element that comes in between these two sets is 1. Now as you can see that 2 and is being repeated in both 1, so we'll write it once. After that it's 3. Then 4 is being repeated in both, but we will write it at once. Okay, it's the turn of 5. 6 is being repeated in both ones, so you will write it once, and the last element will be 8 of set B. So now this is your union of two sets. It's quite easy. Solve few examples, have the sets, suppose the sets by yourself, and find the union of it, and you will be done with the unions of set, and your practice will be way too good. Let's move towards the intersection of two sets. So dear students, here you can see that the same sets I have taken for the intersection also. The sign of intersection is this one, A intersection B. Okay, the upside down position of U is the sign for intersection. In intersection, as I told you in the explanation, that we pick out the common values of both the sets, only the common values. Okay, so the same procedure, you have to follow a proper procedure, proper pattern. A intersection B means you will write the set A first, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that the sign of intersection, and then you will write the values of set B, that is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now is the main part, that how to find out the intersection. As I told you, intersection is only the common values of two sets. Okay, so the common values between these two sets are 2 here also, and as you can see here also 4 is in this set also, and in this set also. 6 is also in this set, and 6 is in this set too. So these are the three common values that are present in these two sets. So the answer will be 2, 4 and 6. While writing the answer, please keep this in mind that you have to write it in correct order. Dear students, also now the concepts are clear of yours about intersection and union, and it will be easier for you to solve the questions by yourself at home. Dear students, for question and queries, please join our live sessions, and if you are unable to join our live sessions due to any reason, you can text me anytime on school's WhatsApp group. We'll meet in the next video. Till next video, take care. Allah Nigiban.